Well, we need
Yeah.
to discuss something.
Okay.
Come in my office.
So, boss, you wanted to see me?
Yeah, due to COVID rates, we have lost money, so we're gonna have to let you off.
Please don't.
I'm sorry, this team will miss you. At
The team-
11 p.m. you're fired. Okay.
Oh, I can't believe I got fired. Gordon deserves. Join to earn a chance to earn $100,000. Can you satisfy the Gordon? 2 spots left. I know who to call.
Alright, Mr. Black, you called?
Yeah, I need help. I just lost my job and got robbed. I was thinking we could enter that Gordon dessert competition.
Do you even know how to bake?
You can learn.
I do know a guy. I guess I can get him to help us.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Mr. Greg, can you teach us how to bake?
The name's Mr. Bread. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Please help us.
All right,
Please.
fine. I'll teach you how to bake.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Greatly appreciated.
What's up, guys? It's me, Mr. Bread.
And me, Quantavious Dingle.
Today, we have multiple teams competing for a grand prize of $100,000.
Who will take the cake and beat the other contestants?
We'll see.
Sampling various entries from multiple contestants, we have come to a decision.
Wally Black wins.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I really needed this money.
Well, you won it. Here's the check. Enjoy it.